This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Madimack A1 cordless robotic pool cleaner, and this is the GT Freedom I45 version. And there are several models available. This particular model, the I45, gets 4.5 hours of total cleaning time. You'll get 2.5 hours for walls, floors, and waterline, and 4.5 hours if you have it on floors only. Included is the operation manual, and you also have this retrieval hook, and it connects to a standard telescoping pool pole. The I45 maps your pool, and on the bottom you're going to see this magnet, and of course you want to take it off when you go ahead and do the cleaning of the pools. But if you wanted to reset it, you simply put the magnet on here, and that will reset the cleaner. It also has 2 extra magnets included. On the back here is the charging port, and here is the charger for the cleaner. Once you plug in the cleaner, it'll take about 4.5 hours to fully charge it if it's fully discharged. And you can see on top it has this really nice control panel. 1 green light on means the cleaner will run for half an hour. If you have 2 green lights on, it'll run for 1 hour. And with 3 green lights on, it'll run for 2 hours. And if you have all lights off, it'll run until the battery is fully discharged. You also have the cleaning mode, which is set here for floors, walls, and waterline. You can set that for floors only. So once you select the time for 1 hour or half an hour, now you can set the repeat mode for every 24 hours, coming on once every 48 hours or every 2 days, and coming on once every 3 days. And you can see here the battery indicator, and it's indicating it's 100%. And here's the Wi-Fi, and this does have an app. And here's the debris canister. You can see that it is a fairly large canister for the size of the robot. It also will filter down to 100 microns. It also features a dual drive motor for the scrubbing brushes on front. And here are the infrared sensors that are used to map the pool. It has a good size debris opening on the bottom, so this will have no problem with larger leaf debris. And I was really impressed by the runtime of this cleaner. Now the manufacturer states the runtime based on the vinyl liner, but in a plaster pool, this cleaner got plus 3.5 hours of cleaning time easily, and the manufacturer does state that it has an advanced lithium-ion battery, which will give it the longer cleaning time. So this is great for a small, medium, and even a large pool. And I really like the advanced cleaning pattern of the I45. It does a great job of crossing the pool and cleaning both the shallow and deep end, as well as the walls up to the water line. And it's one of the few cordless cleaners that does get full coverage of the pool. And I was really impressed by the Australian engineering. It also has great power and no problem picking up leaf debris as well as dirt. Again, it'll filter down to 100 microns. Let me show you the debris that I picked up here. You can see all the leaf debris that I picked up here. And you can see it does a great job with all the fine dirt. And I'm really impressed with the Madimack I45 cleaner. It does a great job with leaf debris as well as the finer dirt. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.